Long silent pauses can make your audio feel slow, unprofessional, and difficult to edit. Here is a free online tool that can shorten unwanted silence from your audio in just a few clicks. Visit reviewandDecide.com and open the Remove Silence from Audio tool. The tool works directly inside your browser, with no sign-up and no paid API required. Drag and drop your MP3, WAV, or supported M4A file into the upload box. The original audio player and waveform will appear, allowing you to preview the complete recording. Choose how much silence you want to keep. For most voiceovers, start with 0.28 seconds. Now, click Remove Silence, and the tool will begin processing your audio. Within seconds, the processed waveform will appear beside the original audio. You can compare the old duration, new duration, and the total amount of time removed. Preview the result, and when it sounds natural, click Download Audio File to save the new WAV file. Try the free audio silence remover on reviewandDecide.com. If this tutorial helped, like the video and share it with another creator. Try the free audio silence remover on reviewandDecide.com. Find the link in our bio or the description below. If this helped, like and share!